Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, what we're going to teach you how to do is how to leverage the affiliate marketing business model and earn big commissions using nothing more than your Facebook profile. This is going to be super powerful. We're also going to teach you how to leverage email marketing to get sales right out of the gate, even if you're brand new online. We're going to show you how to do this working part-time. And I'm actually going to show you how to go from zero to earning $10,000 per month in your affiliate marketing business. It's going to be really exciting. Doesn't matter how many times you failed in the past. Make sure that you watch every moment of this video. So first off, what we're going to do is we're actually going to jump to the computer screen. I'm going to show you some results that I've been able to create on a specific campaign that I've been running since roughly January 23rd. And today is approximately February 20th. So we're almost a month into this campaign and it's absolutely crushing it. You're gonna be able to copy every single asset that I use within this campaign, including my Facebook swipes, my posts that I'm gonna be able to give you right now that are proven to work and proven to convert. And we'll be releasing a few of these over the course of the next few weeks, next few months. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure if you're brand new to the channel, check out the playlist below. That will start you off with day one and you can catch up with us to this point. Make sure that you are completing the action steps and you're completing just one specific action step per day. We've got people right now that are just starting on day one. We've got people that are on day 15, day 20. Everybody's in a different spot, but make sure that you go through this, go through it at your own pace, but make sure you're at least completing one step per day. So let's go ahead. Let's show you the results of these different income streams. We've got multiple income streams that we're actually promoting. The reason why we do that is so we can have more leverage. We want to be able to make more money, obviously with less work. So if we can leverage a system and send people through that system and allow the system to do all the work, all the selling of these multiple products for us, we're going to make a lot more money. We're going to work a lot less. So this first income stream right here, we've made nearly $3,000, as you can see, since the 23rd of January, since we started this campaign. We've got another income stream right here, $1,300. This income stream is at $26,550. About 15,000 of that was created since January 23rd. We've got this income stream that's $1,362. And we've got this income stream, which is the good old YouTube account that you're going to be able to copy, nearly $4,000 there. So you add all those numbers up, you do the math, we're doing really good. We're doing well over $500, $600 plus per day within this specific campaign that you're going to be able to copy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you some exact action steps. We're going to allow you to copy a Facebook post, and we're also going to be sending out an email together through what's called My Lead Gen Secret, which is what this is right here. So if we go home, you can see that I've sent out recently 5,100 emails to 5,100 leads automatically. So every single day, this database will give us fresh leads that we can email to. Why is this important? Why is this service valuable? Well, it's important and valuable because of the fact that it takes a lot of work to get people to your products that you're promoting as an affiliate. You have to go out there, you have to create content, you have to put out videos on YouTube, you have to put out content on Facebook, you have to put out content on Instagram, you have to write blogs, forum posting. There's a lot of work that goes into content creation, and you don't just start getting website visitors overnight. There's a compound snowball effect. It takes time. It takes 30, 60, 90 days before you really start seeing momentum when it comes to free advertising. So what we want to do in the meantime, while we're building our long-term traffic strategy through free advertising, we want something short-term that will hopefully get us results right out of the gate. And that's why MLGS is so powerful, is because it's going to send us leads from the get-go. So 100 leads per day is what you're going to receive. So all you need to do is step one is you need to get access to My Lead Gen Secret below, because we're going to use this to send out an email today and also send out emails every single day. So not just today, but you're going to get access to an email swipe series that looks exactly like this, where every single day, all you do is you come to this swipe, you copy the email and you paste it, you copy your affiliate links, and you go ahead and you send your emails out exactly the way that I show you. This is exactly what I'm doing to obtain the results that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So that is step number one. Step number two is that we have Facebook swipes right here. Okay, these Facebook swipes, you're actually going to go to your Facebook wall and you're going to copy and paste these exact swipes, this text along with the image on your own Facebook wall. And then you're going to start to reply to the different comments that you begin to receive with your affiliate link. Okay, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that within this video. Now, there are some prerequisites before you want to dive deeper in this video. So what you're going to want to do as the next step, again, it's going to be listed below, is make sure that you've gone through the playlist in its entirety. I have a playlist below, and this playlist is going to show you how to set up your own funnel that looks something like this, because this is going to be the funnel that you're going to be sharing with people. And what this funnel does is it guides people through this opt-in process where they enter their email address. When they click Get Instant Access, that email address is logged into an independent autoresponder that you have, and that autoresponder is going to automatically send out emails for you on your behalf that I've already preloaded for you. So to get access to this whole entire automated process, you need to make sure you go through the playlist below. Again, that's going to be one of the steps. So then you're caught up. So everything that we're talking about in this video makes perfect sense. So in other words, this is how your process is going to look like that you're copying that I've used to create the results, again, that you've seen within this video, is that we're sending email traffic from MLGS. We're also sending traffic from YouTube. So you're able to copy my YouTube videos. You're able to copy everything from the funnel that I just showed you, the YouTube videos, landing pages, follow-up emails, everything in between. And we send people through this sales process, and then money spits out on the back end. So the new traffic strategy that we're adding in this video is going to be Facebook traffic. So now up to this point, we have Facebook traffic working for us, we have YouTube traffic working for us, and we have email traffic working for us. So we're sending that traffic to this opt-in page that I just showed you. And then from that opt-in page, people reach the thank you page. They go to the playlist right here, but instead of coming to my YouTube channel, they're actually going to come to your YouTube channel with my YouTube videos. So if we go ahead and we scroll down right here on video number one, you can actually see the affiliate links right here that go to each of the specific income streams within your affiliate marketing business, which is exactly what we want to talk about right now. So one of the income streams, which was step one of this video, is MLGS. Not only are you going to be able to use it to send emails out and promote MLGS itself, but also you're going to be using it to promote income stream number two. And income stream number two is going to be the All-in-One Business Academy. The All-in-One Business Academy looks something like this. You're going to come to this page. It's going to be in the description below as the next step. You're going to come to this page. You're going to click on Yes, I Want Access for just $25. You're going to pay the $25. Then you're going to get inside of the actual members area right here. You're going to go to Affiliate Zone. And then you're going to, let me just log in here. It looks like it timed out. You'll go to Affiliate Zone. Then you're going to go to Sign Up for Affiliate Program here. Once you sign up, you will log into your affiliate area, which is in Samcart. And that affiliate area is going to look exactly like this. Okay, and you saw this screenshot in the beginning. This was one of the income streams. So again, as well, you will be promoting this in the description. And then you'll be taking this link right here at the bottom, the All-in-One $25 business. You're going to copy this, And this will be the other link in the description of your YouTube videos to start. So you'll have your MLGS link and you'll have your $25 business link. So you're going to want to have both of those links because all my videos that you copy are set up to promote those two income streams. We'll be adding more income streams later on, but you're going to want to complete the setup of course, MLGS and the All-in-One Business Academy that I just showed you. So after you've set up those two income streams, you've completed the playlist below, you've set up your funnel, you've uploaded your YouTube videos, you are now ready for this video right here and what we're going to take action on right now. Again, you need to make sure you watch the playlist below so you're caught up to this video so this video makes complete sense because you're copying my YouTube videos, you're copying my funnels, you're copying everything. So when we share this Facebook post, we will be sending people through the beginning of this whole entire sales process that you just set up. So that's why you want to have your YouTube videos uploaded. That's why you want to have your own funnel set up. And so when we implement the traffic strategy, this is all set up. So then all you need to do is send people through the front door. If you do want this set up for you, there will be a link in the description that will lead you to a site where you could pay a fee to have this all done for you. Okay. Nonetheless, what we're going to do right now is step one. We're going to go ahead and leverage MLGS and we're going to go ahead and send out an email. So let's go to our docs here. Again, they will be in the description below. I'm going to go to my latest one that I haven't sent out yet. If you're brand new, you're going to want to send out email number 1, of course. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to jump over. We're going to create a message, select all. We're going to paste the subject right here. We're going to jump back over. We're going to take the body right here. We're going to copy it and we're also going to paste right here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to eliminate the bolding. We're going to move the spacing up maybe just a little bit. Actually, that spacing is pretty good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight here and we're going to put our funnel link here. Okay. Now the funnel link, you might be wondering, well, how do I create my funnel? Again, you want to watch the playlist, but over in the Home Business Academy, they actually have their own funnel builder where you could actually build the funnel within here. And then the autoresponder they use is GetResponse as well. So again, the Home Business Academy will teach you how to set up your funnel. And specifically, I have a training in my playlist that will show you exactly the funnel that we set up that you need to go ahead and copy, which of course is this funnel right here. Okay. So again, let's jump back over here and let's highlight this as well. And this is going to be, again, our website, whatever your funnel website is. Once you've set up your domain, connected everything together. So let's just double check, make sure everything looks good. We're going to click on perfect timing. We're going to click on send email. And now our email has been sent out. Now, what I'm going to do here though, just so people have an idea of where to put their affiliate links. Again, you're going to go ahead and you're going to copy this straight over, but just so you have an idea of where you need to put your affiliate links, I'm going to go ahead and put your funnel link. I'm going to go ahead and put my funnel link here so you know exactly where to replace yours with, okay? So let's go ahead and do that here, and let's go ahead and do that here. Okay, so again, when you copy everything over, you'll replace my link with your link inside of MLGS. Okay, so what we're going to do, last but not least, is I've got a Facebook swipe file here that you'll be able to access in the description below, and you're just going to copy the image and you're going to copy the text over to your Facebook wall. So you're just going to go up here, you're going to copy this, and you're going to paste it right here. Okay, make sure you space everything out nicely. And what you could do right here is you can actually tag me. Check it out. You can tag me right here. So if you type in Joshua Elder, you can find my profile and you could just tag me right there. Pretty cool, right? And then what you can do is make sure that you save the image right here and then upload it. So you'll click here, add photos. You'll find it right here in your downloads or wherever you saved it, and you'll click on post. When you post, it'll look something like this, right? And you can see all the comments. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and message each of these prospects and say, I'll show you exactly what to say. I'll click on message and I'll put, hey, Matthew. And you guys can copy this exact excerpt here. Hey, Matthew. Here is where you can copy the assets the 10K month affiliate assets you requested on my wall. And then you're going to put your funnel link right here, you guys. Boom. And then what you'll do is you will jump back here and you'll do the same thing with each and every other prospect, okay? That commented on your profile or on this specific Facebook post, of course. So we'll just continue to do that and go down here. We got James here. We're going to send a message to. You're going to have Chris here. You're going to send a message to Chris. And again, you can pull these up and you can send over these messages and just simply change out the name. Here's Chris. Boom. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go over here and we'll put Facebook reply swipe. We'll paste that here. Actually, we want to make sure that the formatting is right. And that will be it. There you go. So that'll be it for Facebook post number 1. And of course, you're going to replace my link with your link right here. So there's going to be a lot more to come here. And guys, this is exactly what I'm doing to create sales online, working part-time. You guys are copying my whole entire business. Up to this point, you got the Facebook traffic working, YouTube traffic, email traffic. It's going into your funnel. You've got your YouTube videos set up that are being sent out on my behalf using my expertise, my face, my results. You guys are leveraging me to build your business. And at some point, you're going to be able to do all of this yourself as well. That is the goal for you to be independent. So complete all the instructions below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.